Good morning, student. How are you going? I hope you are fine. Welcome to your math lesson today. In this session, we will learn about whole numbers up to 10,000. Get ready to understand the basic, get to know place value, and practice using these numbers in everyday life. Let's get started and make math fun and easy. Know whole numbers up to 10,000. Whole numbers are not negative integers starting from 0 and so on. Characteristic of whole numbers. 1. Starting from 0. Whole numbers start from 0, so 0 is the first digit in a whole numbers. 2. There are not negative numbers. Whole numbers only consist of 0 and positive numbers. This means that there are no negative numbers in whole numbers. 3. Infinite whole numbers continue indefinitely. We can continue adding numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on without ever stopping. Here I have example of how to write whole numbers and how to read whole numbers. Example 1. How to write the number 4,327 in number names. 4 equals the numbers 4 is the number 1000. 3 equals the number 3 is the number in 100. 2 equals the number 2 is the tens number. 7 equals the number 7 is the unit number. The way to read it is: determine the number that represent 1000, namely 4 written 4,000. Determine the number that represent 100, namely 3 written 300. Determine the number that show tens, namely 2 written 20. Determine the number that show units, namely 7 written 7. So the name of the name is 4,327. Example 2. How to write the number 3,254. The method is 3,254. Determine the number that represent 1,000, namely 3 written as 3. Determine the number that represent 100, namely 2 written as 2. Determine the number that indicates tens, namely 5 written as 5. Determine the number that indicates the unit, namely 4 written as 4. So the number is 3,254. There are several examples of the application of whole numbers up to 10,000 in everyday life. A. Example 1. Read house numbers. Ahmad's house number is 2,345. How do you read the house number? Reading steps. 1000 numbers equals 2, 2000. 100 numbers equals 3, 300. Tens equals 4, 40. Unit digit equals 5, 5. So Ahmad house number is read as 2,345. B. Example 2. Determining city distance. The distance from city A to city B is 4,225. How do you write the number 4,325 into numbers? Writing step: 1000 equals 4,000, 100 digit 300, tens 20, unit digit 5. So the distance from city A to city B, if writing each number is 4,325. That's our discussion today about whole numbers up to 10,000. Keep practicing to master the material we have studied. And don't forget to apply this concept in everyday life. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.